going on, family? We're the Grease Monkey, built by your empire. So for this vlog, what we got going on is yesterday I installed this LS7 with a 480 and a 7 Chevelle Convertible, of course. So what we got is, so I built this LS7. It's got a stage 3 BTR cam kit in it. And then it's got a Mad Dog 480 with a 3200 stall. So what we got is I got to finish installing this so I can get my drive shaft dimensions and get it to the drive shaft shop on Tuesday. So in order to do that, I need to change the rear end out. It's getting a 9-inch from Quick Performance. And while I'm back there, I'm gonna go ahead and install the gas tank and I'm gonna install the headers. So all of that should get done between today and tomorrow. And yeah, the only, kind of hold up is making sure the headers fit. Everybody know headers gonna either fit perfect or they ain't. Ain't no real in between. So I'm hoping that we gonna, get that situated. This car is also getting Baer brakes. So while I got the rear end out, I'm gonna go ahead and put it together, put the brakes on, so that way I can just, put it up in the car. And it's also getting Baer brakes on the front as well. And it's getting QA1 coilovers in the rear, and it already has QA1 coilovers in the front. And Tuesday, I also got to take the drive shaft dimensions for this gray 72 Chevelle with the LS6 454 Pro Charge. So that's a pretty good, good little setup for the weekend. Get those parts installed, and then that'll be a good setup for the week. So as today goes, our boy Laptop, he gonna check in with me and we're gonna see what kind of progress we make between today and tomorrow. So, hey, see y'all soon. Right.
Boo coming. That boo should be here in probably about another 2 weeks. Right now, get straight out the gun where it's at, you hear me? Oh God, but look at it, work speak for itself.
Goddamn tight. Cross member tight. Now I gotta hook up transmission mount. And I know I got transmission mounts in here somewhere. And I just found out that the freaking intake ain't bolted all the way together.
Oh man.
So I'm gonna try to bolt it together in the car, but if not, I'll just pull it back out, off.
Oh snap, okay.
There's only 4 bolts holding it together. And then they sending fuel rails out to me. I don't have them in yet. I think they should be here like Monday or Tuesday.
Okay.
Do that.
Who the fuel rails?
BTRs were.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It's their matching fuel rails to match the intake.
Y'all have a good one, brother.
You too,
brother. Thank you so much, man.
You're welcome.
See here. This one right here, I might have to dent the pipe just a hair.
Not pinned all the way? It's not pinned all the way?
Not 100%. It looked like it would fit fine, but it's rubbing just a hair. And I mean literally just a hair. So what we gonna do is put this up, put a bolt in it, and see what we got. Man, alright, so hell, I don't remember if you said black or red. You remember what I said?
No. No, I don't think it's on. I didn't hear it.
I'm finna go ahead and undercoat it.
Yes.
It'll be dry.